with a recipe for y'all, okay? Yes, I'm the girl officially trending on YouTube with the messed up lashes. Don't come for me, because guess what? I am going to fix my lashes later. I ain't did nothing to them, sis, okay? So, y'all, today we are going to be making tomato, bacon, avocado, do you hear me? Egg croissant sandwiches. So yes, y'all, we are about to hop straight in. Let me show y'all what y'all gonna need for this video. Let's do it. So y'all, here are the ingredients you're going to need. You're gonna need some tomatoes, some bacon. We are only going to use the egg whites of these eggs, your croissant or bagel. Usually this sandwich is made with a bagel, but I'm using croissants. Honey, avocado, almond extract, and last but not least, sorry y'all, cream cheese. Okay, so with the almonds, the extract, and the honey, we are making the honey almond cream cheese to go on our sandwiches, y'all. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to bake my bacon. I don't like my bacon super crispy, but I do like it kind of soft, just like the perfect consistency. So we are gonna put that bacon in that oven, boo. So now, y'all, we're gonna take our croissants. We are going to cut them, y'all, like this. I guess we would consider this butterflying them. I'm gonna open them up like that. Okay. Okay, so we are going to use one for the top and one for the bottom. So now we're going to toast them, y'all. Let's toast them. So pretty much the sandwich is going to be like this, okay? Or if you want to, you can make them into two separate sandwiches, but in this case we are going to use 2 croissants for 1 sandwich. So apparently, guys, I chose the wrong avocado. This one was not done yet, so I chose to dice some up. I would just tell you guys to not use a unripe avocado raw. I suggest you to make sure you choose an avocado that is right. That way you can make the paste, so that you can maximize the taste of the sandwich. So yeah, I just diced mine up because, like I said, I messed up. I chose the wrong avocados in the store. Just make sure you don't make that mistake as well, okay, guys? So y'all, now we about to attempt to get egg whites. Pray for me, okay? Pray for me, because I never did this before. And I know I look crazy by now because I've been cooking in the kitchen, okay? So don't pay my head no mind. Don't pay none of this no mind. Okay, let's get it.
No, Billy, I'm about to piss my fucking pants. I gotta end this. Hey, much love, bro. So much love.
We bring it here. We here. Yo, we here, man. Let's get it.
No Billy, no jumper. Coolest podcast in the world. Check us out on YouTube, SoundCloud, iTunes, NoJumper.com. If you want to support us,
That's a fact.
fucking trend.
I did it. I did it. Yay. So yeah, I got a little bit of yellow in there, but guess what? For the most part, we got egg whites, so let's get it.
Where are you posting up right now? You're in Atlanta? Yeah, I'm home.
Damn, play. I got a whole family company here already.
Okay, so, yeah. Talk to me,
You gotta cook the egg white. So the only thing I'm gonna add to my eggs is a little bit of pepper. I want to cook it as whole like that. So yeah, after this, y'all, we will be done. We're gonna put all the products together and build our sandwich. Okay, y'all, so we have our egg whites here. We got our croissant bread, which I wanted mine a little dot, give it a little crunch. We got our bacon, our tomato, our avocado. Y'all, I would have done avocado paste, but I think I got them a little bit too soon. So I did crush them up just so that I can still have the avocado flavor in there. Then we have our honey, almond, cream, cheese. So let's build it.
Yay! How you doing, man? Good, good. I'm very excited. Every once in a while, occasionally, you get to have somebody on the show who is just like presently making me laugh my ass off on such a regular basis. And I feel like, you know, especially over the last couple months, I've just been kind of constantly having that conversation with people about your videos, you know? And going back, I really have been doing it for a few years now, but it's kind of crazy, like, how this stuff has been taken off and how quickly a lot of your stuff has gone viral.
But I mean, I feel like the shit, like you said, I've been doing this for years now, so it's like, I love that this shit is not going like super fast, like, jump up, because there's a lot of motherfuckers that get up like that. Like that one thing that you do, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, he says this at the end of every video, so everybody comes to me like, oh, look at the video, you saying this, look at, it's like a super quick, like, jump up, get 1 million followers or a couple million followers and boom, it's over, you know what I'm saying?
See, that's smart because I wasn't thinking of it like that, but that is very true. That a lot of times you'll have people where they'll have one killer joke, and that joke becomes too big, and then they can never really live up to that, and everything is.
You see that guy that blew up on that one thing, and everybody's like, oh, record him. And he's done doing that one thing, that people just walk away like, oh yeah, that's the guy, that's the one thing right there.
Yeah.
And yeah, fuck that guy. It's like,
If you haven't been for a quick 10 second video, if you haven't been online long enough, or if you've been like really paying attention long enough, you don't really realize that there's like a shelf life on a lot of jokes or a lot of catchphrases, and a lot of times people be going absolutely nuts for something for a week, and then it's like you couldn't sell a t-shirt that said that thing on it a week later.
It is over the next one. Yeah, no, I just been building.
So y'all, it is done, okay, officially. Bacon, avocado, tomato, croissant. It is ready to eat, okay? I'm so excited. Tell me what y'all think down below. Comment down below. We got our avocado right there. We have our honey almond spread that we made. We have our bacon. Underneath that, we have our tomato with a little bit of pepper on it. And we have our egg whites. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And yeah, comment down below if you guys want more.
Make me the one. I love you so much. I wanna be yours. I love you so damn much. What is it gonna be? Are you and me? I love everything. The thought is so sweet, so cold.